Mr. Speaker and the senators in the House, I'll address two issues. One is the issue whether the threshold for removal of the deputy governor has been met, and then I'll make a comment on one of the charges that has been found to be substantiated. On my first issue, whereas the impeachment process is a political process, it's also a process that is duly guided by the Constitution, and the ground for impeachment are clearly provided under Article 181 of the Constitution. And if you read carefully the provisions of Article 181, there's a specific term that has been used, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, gross misconduct. Even as you retire to vote on that report, we'd like the Senate to put that in mind. Has the charges that were brought before against the deputy governor gross? That's one thing that we want the Senate to put in mind, even as it vote towards that report. I'd also like to comment on the first charge that has been substantiated, the charge of interference with procurement process. Mr. Speaker and the senators, you'll note that when the motion for impeachment was drafted, the particular section under which the deputy governor was charged with is section 47(1) of the Public Procurement and Disposal Act. However, Mr. Speaker and the members of the Senate, if you look at the report, the provision under which that charge has been found to be substantiated is section 67(3) of the Public Procurement Act. And I'll refer the senators to page 40, and also you can look at the comparison. So the question is it fair to charge somebody under this particular provision of the law, and then you find him guilty or substantiate the charge under a different particular provision of the law? We urge that the Senate vote on this motion, and we'll hope that you're going to exonerate the deputy governor. That's all.
Now, honorable senators, having heard the deputy governor, we shall now proceed to division. However, pursuant to Standing Order 84-2, I have to make a determination, which I hereby do, that this matter affects counties, and therefore voting shall be by delegates. Sergeant at Arms, kindly ring the division bell for 5 minutes.